Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. Today I have another exciting project for you. I will be showing you how to create the simplest smart RGB controller using powerful ESP32 microcontroller and user-friendly EzloPi platform. So let's jump in and get started. Gathering all the necessary components, we'll need an ESP32 development board, RGB LED strip, some jumper wires, and a 12-volt DC power supply. Also, we need 3 MOSFET trigger switch drive. We should begin with configuring our ESP32. The first step of configuring our ESP32 is navigating to this webpage, expressive.github.io. Then connect your ESP32 to your operating system using USB cable. After that, click Connect. Select the port your ESP32 is connected to and click Connect. Then click Erase Flash. Wait till erasing flash completes. Chip erase completed successfully. Click Disconnect. For the next step, navigate to config.ezlopi.com. You can find its link in description. You must have a Muse account. If you don't, easily create one by clicking Create Your Free Account, entering your email address, username, and password. After creating your Muse account, enter your account's credential and click Get Started. In this web page, click Connect Device. Select the port your ESP32 is connected to and then click Connect. It's getting device info. Wait till it's done. If you face warnings, skip them. In configuration section, make sure Create New Device ID is selected. Enter your Wi-Fi network credentials, the one you want to connect your ESP32 to it. Then scroll down. In device configuration section, select chip type from the drop-down list. Mine is ESP32. After that, select a new configuration, choose Other, set a name for your device. In device subtype, from the drop-down list, select RGB LED. Check GPIO 1, 2, and 3. For GPIO 1, I assign GPIO 23 of my development board. For GPIO 2, I select pin 22. And for GPIO 3, I select pin 21 of development board. Then click Apply. Configuring ESP32 is done. It's time to flash the device. Here, click Flash Device. Press the boot button of your development board and keep it hold. Now, installation prepared. Please release the boot button now. Wait till flashing completes. Device flashed successfully. It's wiring time. 3 MOSFET driver modules are used for each of the red, green, and blue colors. Connecting components, connect ground of development board to grounds of driver modules. Connect V+ or let's say positive terminal of power supply to 12-volt pin of LED strip. Connect V- or let's say negative terminal of power supply to negative terminals of MOSFET driver modules. Connect GPIO23 to trigger pin of one of the modules, and then connect red pin of LED strip to out minus terminal of the same module. Connect GPIO22 to trigger pin of another module, and then connect green pin of LED strip to out minus terminal of the same module. And finally, connect GPIO21 to trigger pin of the remaining module, and then connect blue pin of LED strip to out minus terminal of the same module. Let's show you the diagram of wiring. Now we can test our Smart RGB controller. To do so, we need Muse app. Download and install this app on your smartphone, then open it. After entering your Muse account credentials, you will be navigated to dashboard page, and you will see your RGB controller device. Then easily, by using the app, you can control your RGB LED strip. As you see. Congratulations, you have successfully created the simplest smart RGB controller using ESP32 and EzloPi with just a few simple steps. Now you can control your RGB LED strip wirelessly and remotely using your smartphone. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more exciting DIY projects. See you in the next video.